my name is Kathy and I'm one of the librarians. I'm going to show you how to effectively use the library search tool. The library search is an excellent place to start your library research. You can find articles, reports, books, ebooks, theses, journals, and much more, all from a single search box. It's a good tool for getting a broad overview of the sources we have available on your topic. It's also good for searching for a specific article or book. What does it search? Library-owned materials or subscribed content and beyond. I've conducted a simple search here, but it's retrieved far too many results than I can look through. However, if I use the filters here, I can help narrow my results to a manageable number. Let's take a look at a few of these filters. Under Show Only, you can choose to see only what's available online or physical items, but use these filters carefully. For example, if you choose scholarly articles, you may be excluding some highly relevant technical reports that aren't categorized under scholarly. You can include or exclude almost all the filters. It's often helpful to exclude types like newspaper articles, but be careful with excluding types like text resources or other, as you may inadvertently exclude useful items. Use the date filter to find more recent items. Collection is another term for article database. Items in the collection filter are ranked by number of hits. You can identify the highly relevant article databases where you can go to conduct more powerful, targeted searches. Please note, the names of the databases don't always match the collection names exactly. Use these two filters to find ebooks, available online, and books. To get to the full text of an item, click either the Available Online link or the title. At the full record, look for the Find Online section. Sometimes you'll get more than one option of database to choose from. Check the coverage dates to make sure your article is included. Click the database link that you need. The first link took me to an article record page within the database. I can read the full text PDF here or as an HTML. I can also download the PDF. Each of the databases looks different, so you'll have to scan the page to find where the download PDF link is located. Even though your search may return thousands of results, the results may not be quite what you're looking for. You can expand your search beyond what we have and include items you can request from other libraries. I would click this box. I have checked this box, and now my results have practically doubled, and they include both what the library has and other electronic items that you can request. The additional items will show up with a link that says how to get it. Click the link and you will be prompted to log in. Use your NPS credentials. Click the request article or book link. If you haven't used this service before, you'll be prompted to register. After that, you can submit your request. And notice how the fields auto-populate for you. Check to make sure that everything is accurate and then submit your request. Article PDFs can arrive as quickly as 2 to 3 days. Print books can take 1 to 2 weeks because it has to be shipped. DL students, we will also send library-owned materials to you. Most items are requestable, except for entire ebooks. But if you only need a chapter or two, it is possible that we can find a library who will send them as PDFs. You can pin your favorites and save your searches. The system also preserves your search history. Your favorites will stay in the system until you graduate and no longer have a library account. In order to pin a record, click the pin on the icon on the record. To see your pinned favorite records, look in the upper right corner and click the pin icon. There you'll see your favorites, saved records, saved searches, and your search history. The library search is a great place to start your library research, but you'll want to continue and expand your search into the databases directly. Some databases are not included in the library search. And within the databases, you are able to conduct more in-depth targeted searching. You'll be able to search the full text of documents rather than just the top thin layer of metadata, and you'll want to access the most recent information. Please learn about how to search databases on the other page of this guide.